Here I am today again with another new and delicious recipe. If you like my recipes, please do like and subscribe my channel for more recipes. Now today's delicious recipe is we're going to make chicken tikka. It's going to be very delicious. I love it personally. To make chicken tikka, we'll need chicken. You can use any form that you like. You can use boneless chicken as well. You can use chicken with bones as well. It's completely on your flavor. I mostly use chicken with bones because of the bones. When the stock comes out, the thing becomes more delicious. So I will be taking half kg chicken, half a cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, half a cup yogurt, and 1 box of Shan chicken tikka masala, as you can see. So these are our ingredients. First we're gonna marinate the chicken using all these ingredients, and we'll keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. So let's gather up and go for cooking now. Okay guys, my 15 minutes are over. So now I'm going to start cooking it. Now before switching on the stove, you need to put 1/4 cup of water in it. Now mix it well. Also, one quick tip to make it even more yummylicious. Some people also add lemon in it, but if you don't have lemon, you can add vinegar as well. But both of the things are not really necessary. They depend on your taste. I like it a little bit more tangy, so I'll add vinegar in it, just like 2 tablespoons. And we are done. Now all we need to do is cover it up and let it cook on low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let it go. While making the chicken, you need to, after time intervals like 2-3 minutes, keep on stirring it as well. Now my chicken is nearly done. Not that done actually. It will take 2-3 more minutes, but then it will be done, inshallah. Now meanwhile my chicken is made. I'll make French fries on the other side. Okay guys, here is the chicken tikka masala ready to go, all delicious to eat. If you like my recipes, please do like and subscribe my page to get to know more recipes. Like and subscribe my channel. Here is the delicious chicken tikka masala ready. You can serve it with garlic sauce and with green chutney as well. I like to eat with all 3 things. You can have it with French fries as well. To get to know more recipes by me, you have to like and subscribe my channel. See you till again. Bye bye. Take care. Ciao ciao. Sayonara.